The United Kingdom is raising the defense target, but money is not the same thing as readiness. The 2025 Strategic Defense Review says the UK is moving toward 2.5% of GDP by 2027, with an ambition for 3% in the next parliament. NATO is now pushing a wider 5% benchmark by 2035, including 3.5% for core defense. But the harder test is conversion. The UK review points to £6 billion for munitions this parliament, a £1.5 billion always-on pipeline, and at least 6 new energetics and munitions factories. SIPRI still puts UK military spending at 2.4% of GDP in 2025, so the real question is not whether Britain can announce more defense money. It is whether budget, factories, stockpiles, and procurement speed can become usable NATO readiness fast enough. That is the readiness test Military Power Lab will keep tracking.